Why can't you just go into your closet and take everything out of your closet and take it to the Goodwill box and drop it off? Don't talk about what you were keeping. Please don't tell us what you were keeping in your closet. Just get rid of the clothes. I don't need this. It's not that flattering on me. Yeah, this is ratchet. I don't know. It's kind of cute.
Not cute enough.
Okay, yeah, there's stuff I could get rid of in here.
You don't want anything in there.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Kiana. Today I'm going to be tackling this crazy closet of mine. It is very unorganized. There's no color coordination. Everything's in the bins and you can't even tell like what I have, so it makes finding outfits really difficult. We're going to give my closet a big makeover. I can't promise that it's going to look amazing because I'm not going to be getting any new hangers. I am in no way trying to become a minimalist or anything like that because I don't know if it's possible, but I have been watching some videos on minimalism and I really like the overall message of having less things because it just leads to less stress in your life. I'm not sure how much can honestly change because I don't have too much extra storage, but I went to the Container store. I really didn't get that much. I mean, you can only buy a few things for like $1,000 there. I got this acrylic stacking organizer thing for the shelf up here. I figured it would help add one more extra area. And then I got this cute little bin to put whatever I choose, and it fits right here. So I think that's just gonna elevate the space just a little bit. You guys know the motto, it's if it doesn't spark joy, then you're gonna get rid of that thing. So I'm gonna be donating things. I'm also gonna keep a few things to sell. Do I wanna start with the clothes or do I wanna start with this up here? Okay, I decided we're gonna start by clearing out the shelves because this could actually like become a lot less crowded and I think that can help me store some other clothes up there. I've literally never touched these. It's heavy.
Oh, piglet.
Okay, so I have a big bin of Webkins that I just haven't been able to get rid of because I have an attachment to these. This one's so soft, it's like a marshmallow. So I really can't get rid of this. This is already off to a bad start. And I don't think I need any of these actually.
Some of the signatures go for good money, I thought.
Aw, I think these are the ones I want. We're trashing things first. Okay, so I put all of the electronics boxes in here and a couple other boxes. This is probably the best use of the space, unfortunately, but now it's going to go back up into the top shelf. Now this has accessories. Okay, trash bag is getting pretty full. And now I'll have almost an empty little bin to probably put some clothes in. I put that plastic bin up to the corner right there. I honestly should probably get rid of this Theo James poster. It's been there for decades. So I just emptied out this bin and I'm going to dedicate this to sweaters because it's something I don't really reach for that often. I think that makes most sense to go in this type of bin. This will at least fit most of them. We have this first sweater. I've held on to this for a really long time because I love the color. But let's try it on to see if it still sparks joy. I do like this sweater and I think it's a good basic for fall, so I'm gonna keep this. We're gonna fold everything nicely. This one's actually pretty cute. It's my only turtleneck and I feel like it kind of gives that coffee shop winter vibe. I've actually worn this a decent amount. It's really comfy. This is from Hollister. I think this is good because I'm actually realizing things that look good when I try them on. We have this sweater right here, but the sleeves are just kind of long. I think I'm gonna put this in the donation pile. So over here I want to have my jackets area. Okay, so I put my North Face over here. I have this denim jacket, which is really nice. That's also gonna stay on that side. Another fluffy jacket, which I like. So that's gonna be with the other fluffy jackets. I think I'm gonna try to put this on my Depop or something because it's kind of fun. Another thing is this area right here. I've been storing all of my mailers that I get because for a long time I was using these for anything that people will buy on Depop, which is nice. It's a good way to recycle things, but I just have let it accumulate. I think I should get rid of some. I don't think I'm going to be shipping anything. And now Caitlin's going to be helping to judge my items. But this is chaos. This is going to be recycled. So now we're going through my dresses and I used this one for my grad pictures and I actually thought it was cute. It's bodycon. The only thing is we found out there are some yellow stains in the armpits.
Basura.
I don't know, it's kind of cute.
Not cute enough. It's never something that you would pick. out of your whole closet.
But it fits, it's flattering.
Is it? You look like a founding father.
Because of my hair?
It's yellow.
So I tried this one on and it's a yes. We like it. It's comfier, so I'm actually going to get rid of the white one because I realized that one's not even comfortable when I put this one on. I think this is a good color. We're going to keep it. Okay, now we have this green dress. This actually fits a lot better now. I don't know, the waist isn't that flattering because it's not super form-fitting. So I look more of like a block, but not everything has to be skin tight. You don't like this one?
I think it's okay.
And then this one Mom likes. It's kind of the same concept. So we'll keep these. Okay, we're gonna empty these bins. Okay, yeah, there's stuff I could get rid of in here, I think.
You don't want anything in there.
Okay, this I didn't want to get rid of. It's my San Diego State bralette.
Why do you need to wear that?
Yeah, this is so random. This thing is so pretty. This was my countdown outfit. This I feel like I want to keep. I feel like I want to keep rave stuff and like festival wear because that will just be like fun. But I need a place for that. Donate that. What about this? Is that just too childish now? Yeah, maybe I should get rid of it. Okay, donating. These white shorts. I feel like they're a good basic. I don't need this. It's not that flattering on me. Yeah, this is ratchet. This tube top. It's comfy, but I don't really like the color either. And then I want to keep these workout tank tops. So I'm making some progress on the donation pile. Instead of having my throw blankets just shoved into here, I'm just going to put them in this empty bin. Both of these bins are going to go on this bottom shelf, but on the other side. Now we're moving on to the main attraction where all the clothes are. First, I'm going to take all the dresses that I like and put them on the dress side. I'm obsessed with this dress that I got from Abercrombie recently. Another sundress here. Starting to realize that I have a sweatshirt problem. So I have some stuff here on the floor that I think I could probably part with. I'm gonna have like a little maybe pile and then we're gonna get to trying that stuff on. I have a decent amount of bodysuits and I want to organize them kind of on like one hanger. I'm gonna organize all my pants and figure out which ones I don't want and then put them on this side with my shirts. All my crop tops and tank tops I want to put together as well. Alright, we have one empty bin now and I'm gonna start putting some of the thinner dresses and like things that I don't really grab for often if they're for a certain occasion. I have this intense dress that I wore to Vegas. Also gonna put this leather skirt in there. Oh, I found another sweater that I could put up in that bin. I'm gonna have some crop tops hung up here, but I'm gonna put a lot of them down here in this drawer. Black v-neck. I just really can't stand v-necks. Okay, we're back for round 2. I was not able to finish this all in one day because there's too much and I feel like I was able to gather my thoughts on where I wanted things to go. So, I have this big pile of clothing that I needed to try on and see if I even want to keep any of this stuff. My sister's here again to advise. The first thing we have is this little crop top, and I really wanted to wear this with like a vintage blue denim. Now at the same time, I'm going to be trying on all these pants. Well, actually not all of them, just the ones that I'm questioning. Okay, I literally spent money on this shirt, and it's super ugly. It's Shadow Hill. It's terrible quality too. I was kind of disappointed. And these jeans have lived a long life, but I think we're going to put them to rest. Okay, well we decided the shirt's gonna stay because I feel like it has potential, but not with these pants. Okay, the next pair of jeans we have are these American Eagle ones, and they fit like perfectly at the waist. Okay, so I have this pair of Levi's. They're the 501 style, and I always wanted to keep them because they're Levi's, but I feel like the crotch just looks a little weird. Okay, now I have this American Eagle shirt that I've never worn, but now trying it on, I feel like this would be really good for fall and winter. It's very soft. Tuck it into some pants and go to work. So I'm gonna keep this. I'm just not a huge fan of denim skirts. Is it too costume party-esque? Okay, so I just emptied out another one of these drawers over here. You're probably seeing how psychotic I've become. Just hoarding all of this. This has been one that I threw a lot of like, not costume stuff, but like festival stuff, swimsuits, crop tops, like little things that I never really grabbed for that often anyway. So I feel like there's gonna be a lot of good stuff to get rid of here. So this crop top, we're throwing this away. Neon pink swimsuit that I ordered and I couldn't return and it didn't fit. What about this tube top? I kind of like this one. This is ratchet and stained. That's Destiny gave me that. We have a black tube top. I think I can get rid of this. I'll donate that. This red tube top is also Destiny's. Yeah, okay, that's gonna be donated. I feel like I might be over the tube top thing. Anyways, I'm just gonna go through all this. Okay, so I just organized everything into piles. We have some tank tops here, some t-shirts that I could either wear to work or just normal t-shirts, and I have crop tops here. Workout clothes that I need to put into my workout drawer, my throw away pile, my try on, it could be maybe. This I'm gonna add to my Depop, and this is gonna go in the donation bag. Okay, so I decided that this bin right here is gonna have my rave attire, any like cover-ups, and my swimsuits, because I don't really reach for my swimsuits or rave attire that often, so I'm just gonna put it up on the shelf in my closet. And my current swimsuit situation is overflowing this bin, and I want to make this dedicated to just bralettes and underwear. This is ready to go up on the shelf now. Time to reconfigure this entire side. I've already done all my dresses, everything looks pretty good here. And then my crew necks and all that stuff's over here, as you know, but here's all the shirts. In order to organize this a little more easily, I'm gonna take everything off the rack so I have a clean slate. However, I'm keeping the thinner jackets to the right side because I honestly just don't have space on the other side, and I think kind of some of these are like thinner overlay shirts, so like flannels, blazers, stuff like that. Then from the right side, I'm doing my long sleeve thermal shirts, I'm doing some long sleeve crop tops, and then I go into the t-shirts, and I'm trying to organize this by color as best as I can. And then here's the bodysuit hanger, which I think worked really well, having them all organized onto one hanger. Keeps it more clean, and I'm just throwing in more shirts wherever they fit color-wise. And then after the bodysuits, before the t-shirts, we have the tank tops. And I pulled out a lot of the tank tops and crop tops that I wear on a consistent basis and put them hung up, since I put a lot of the crop tops that are unhangable and just ones I don't really wear as often in those bins down below. So as you can tell, the idea here is just to keep the things that I wear most often on the hangers. A good way for me to hang pants has been with these hangers. They're kind of not the best colors, but I like being able to hang multiple jeans on one hanger, and they're pretty sturdy, like they hold a lot of weight. So basically my logic here is that since I'm going to be usually dressing myself with pants and a shirt, I wanted to keep it on this side of the closet because this is the one that I open more. I'm going to add like more of the straight leg jeans onto this one because the next one's going to be a skinny jean. So I'm just going to put all of the jeans that I would wear to work, like these skinny jeans, onto one hanger so it keeps them all together. And then this drawer is going to be some pants that are just, it's just a little too hot to wear right now, so I'm going to put these in there. And then my pleather pants. And some black cargo pants. And then right on top I'm going to put my denim shorts because I grab these a lot. Alright guys, so we finally finished the closet clean out / reorganize with me video. That took me 2 whole days. I mean, not 2 whole days, but pretty much many hours in both days. While we all knew this wasn't going to be a very aesthetic closet turnout, I feel like the organizational aspect is really good. It's just not a headache looking at my closet anymore. I was able to fill up 2 whole trash bags worth of clothing. However, that did include stuff that was downstairs that I had left in the downstairs closet because it was just old and stuff that I got from brands and just stuff that I didn't need. We all saw how much stuff I had just jam-packed into my closet before, and it was just very unhealthy, like a really bad hoarding mindset that I've had. But I'm always that type of person who thinks I'm gonna need something in the future and I don't want to have to go buy it again. But with my sister's help, she was harsh, she was trying to get me to get rid of things. which I also do try to do for her as well, because I think we both have issues with that. Now that my closet is organized, I feel like this is going to make me more mindful about future purchases, which is like the most important thing. Being able to see what you have and evaluate if you need something else. It's a lot easier to see if you have certain colors of something already, like certain styles, so I think that's like the best part of this whole thing. But I hope this video inspired you to clean out your closet if you've been wanting to for a while. Just kind of keep these little things in mind of like how you want to have your pants and shirts together probably, and keep most of the things that you wear on a daily basis out in public, like on your hangers. Again, always dedicate a purpose to each drawer or bin that you have so things don't get lost. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.